Cameras, rolling.
Okay, here we go.
Good morning, it's Saturday morning. We're over here at the Go Kit Challenge. We're just getting set up and ready to go. And I thought take a second to enjoy this morning for what it is. Currently though, the forecast says it's gonna hold off until about 11 for that rain, but me and Mike are not gonna really take any chances today. So we're getting set up inside. And the first station that gets set up at any other field day or POTA event station or big event, the station that I always most commonly work, the cooking station. Just what you need the first thing in the morning, a cup of hot chocolate, yeah. What's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm doing good. We've got a great event happening out here. The weather is not cooperating with us, but we're almost used to that by now because I think we've only had 1 year where we had really nice weather, but it was bitterly cold. Every other time we've had rain or an overcast day or something like that. So anyway, we're afraid that today's event might be a little bit under-attended just because of the fear of rain and thunderstorms. But the people that are here look like they're having a good time. So far, it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, we've probably got a dozen, maybe 15 entries so far. We got 2 vehicles in the mobile category out there. I know we've got at least 1 in the 50 and over category. So that's what we've got happening today.
And what's a brief explanation of the rules real fast?
Okay, the rules for this year. Everybody gets 6 tickets, and you get to put a ticket in the Go Kit that you like the most. Or you know, you can put it in. You can put all of them in one. You can spread them out among the. You know, each one can get one. However you choose to do that. Typically, we require 2 contacts in order to be in the competition. Because of the threat of rain this year, we've decided to waive that rule. But if you do get 2 contacts, you get 2 additional tickets in your cup from the judges. And anyway, but that way everybody has a fair chance, but we don't put anybody at risk that doesn't want to, you know, take the chance. But we've got 4 guys out in the grass that are set up with a full complement, full Go Kit. So we'll see how it goes today.
It's gonna be a fun event. I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
So real fast, Mike, how have you have your radio right now hooked up? And you made a contact.
This is stupid. So just for giggles, so I have this signal stick antenna. I had it on my VHF Go box here. Makes a great ground plane for it, right? Just for giggles, I put it on my G90.
Right there.
And then I hit the tune button.
The tune button.
No counterpoise.
The famous G90 tune button.
The famous G90 tuner. No counterpoise. 2-meter antenna. I'm on 20 meters. Tuned it up. I'm looking at like a 1.5 to 1 SWR. And I just made a contact from here all the way over to there.
Oh, that's awesome.
So probably worse than a dummy load.
Here we go. We're going to start it off with my station. This is my POTA Go Kit, Go Pack, and everything breaks down into the Explorer backpack right here. Of course, I got the Yaesu FT-DX10 out, and then I went ahead and pulled out the additional big old tank radio battery and the solar panel. Yeah, so everything in my POTA pack goes into my backpack, and I really like it that way, and it's just one bag to bring out, and then I just carry the solar panel in my hand. Full update and full everything that I have in the bag is coming up on the later video, so keep an eye out for that. His debut appearance, we got Jason, not entering this year, just hanging out with us, doing a quick little walk around. I do like this pack right here. This is the winner from last year. He does have a Severier tripod right there. They said that's pretty light and made out of wood. Nice, nice. Going out and going to meet up with Frank here. And he is the gentleman that has the lean-to and does a whole tent pack in his Go Kit. I wonder where he's ran his antenna. This is a good thing I like about his kit. He has the flag and tape markers on it, so you can see his antenna when you're walking out in the field. I like that, and that lean-to tent is amazing. Maybe an idea for next year is a satellite division. This gentleman is trying to operate a satellite, was talking to him earlier, his Yagi is completely bendable and foldable and breaks down into a pack very nicely. And next up in the field, I don't know what this mast system is. We'll find out more about it in an interview probably. But just look at that, it's huge, and it has a rotator on top. What? All that in a Go Kit? Man. Well, that's probably why he has that cart over there. And I've seen several Go Kits already with carts to helping them bring them out into the field, and there's nothing wrong with that because things are heavy. Batteries are heavy. So, and plus to get everything out there in the first go, and that's really like my mantra I like with my Go Kits. I just want to go out and pick up everything and then set up and get on the air. I don't like going back and forth and back and forth. Well, how's it going? What's your call sign?
My call sign is actually on my shirt, W8GNL.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. And I've met you at several of these ham fests.
Yes.
And you came out, I believe, last year for the Go Kit Challenge?
No, I had to take care of my mother last year. But we have met at several of these ham fests, yes.
Yes, yes. I'm going to use the question of last ham fest, though. What's your next amateur radio challenge?
My next amateur radio challenge, I guess, would be I already have a Go Kit that I need to put a lithium battery in that's not working. That's why I hadn't entered. Basic 2 meters, 70 centimeter. I want to make one with HF radio and get it all hooked up and have it something simple that I could just carry anywhere with me. Plus, we're also going to fix up our van, so I want to put a couple radios in there because we are going to be living on the road.
Ooh, any particular destinations you want to hit up?
We want to go to Dayton.
Dayton.
Yes, we hadn't been there, and we've been wanting to go. Bill's retiring Bill KM5EZ is retiring at the end of this month, and so we decided we're going to go to Dayton. And I also got relatives in Ohio and Pennsylvania I'll probably visit along the way. And what we want to do is just travel all over the United States, and that's why I want to get the radios hooked up in the van and meet people all over the place.
Awesome, awesome. So you're coming out here to get some ideas on what to do and how to tweak your Go Kit?
Oh, yeah.
And you're going to come out next year?
Hopefully.
And you're going to win?
Definitely.
Yeah, you're going to be a big contender.
Of course.
I'm looking forward to it, to Penny. And enjoy the day. Stay dry.
Enjoy. I did want to say where I got my call sign.
Where did you get your call sign?
It was my grandfather's.
No.
Yes, he went SK back in 1976. I was originally KG5RZZ, and I went after his as a vanity. He was the original W8GNL. If you look it up, you'll see a few things on him and a lot of things on me. And his name was Ralph Harris. And I don't know why nobody in the family ever became a ham or took it up, but when I was younger, I wanted to be a ham, but I thought you had to be an adult to be one, so I never bugged mom and dad about it. Then I just thought they disappeared. Then I met Bill, KM5EZ, and we started dating, and he's like, oh, he's a ham. I'm like, really? And he helped me become a ham and helped me get the call sign.
Awesome. I love carrying those legacies forward. I did some research on it. I'm the first one in my family. So I'm starting it all.
Well, starting a legacy. That's good.
Yes. Well, thank you for coming by, and stay dry.
Yeah, and it's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
You take care.
All right, this is KC5AMT coming to you live from the Go Kit Challenge. Yes, Frank left his microphone with somebody, so I'm bringing it to him. But hey, we're having a great time out here. We're probably expecting rain in an hour or so we're letting the contestants go ahead and make their contacts. We are getting everything done for that, and we're letting them go ahead if they want to take down their equipment so that they don't have to be out in the rain. So that's what's happening right now. We will see you again soon.
We're going to try to do a 20-meter contact like Mike did with the signal stick. But first, I need to turn the power down from 100 to 5 because I do not want to blow this thing away. There we go. All right, back. We are on 20 already. Let's see. It will tune.
Nope.
No. So Jason, I'm going to use the man pack here. CQ. This is Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet calling CQ on 525252. This is Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet. Take radio!
KG5AHJ, KNMRD, you're 2x2 and somewhere in Texas.
2x2, thanks very much for the contact. I'm going to give you a 1x1 KG5AHJ, KNMRD.
Roger the 1x1, ham harder, KNMRD.
Net, I like to do an early check-in for our YL net. This is KG5AHJ.
Now on that on Simplex, call frequency. Yeah. Oh my God.
Getting a bunch of white.
Taking the check-ins for the YL net. Early check-ins for the YL net's going to start in 12 hours. And out of the nice of his heart, Jason put the man pack here with the Yaesu FTM 6000. Thanks for the assist.
Here's the cool thing about it. I got to put my, I need to put my carbon 6 mask with this one. But I keep the Edfon J-pole with it.
Oh.
So I can roll that up. So it's got the signal stick, which works fine. Works fine. But then if you get a small mast, or you are under a pavilion like this and you can get up there somehow, you can hang the Edfong roll up J-pole, and that's a dual band. It's a this will handle about 75 watts. So.
Oh, nice,
yeah.
Nice. And where do we get those?
GrapevineAmateurRadio.com. when they're not sold out, which is often.
Well, thanks for putting the radio on my table.
Oh, sure.
I like to show it off too.
Yeah, that's the Tech Prepper Man Pack. It's very, very well made.
Yep.
I wish it was still doing those.
Better late than never. Robert's here with showing off his satellite pack. Is this the new one?
This is the new one.
Ooh, we'll talk about that in a minute. And this is the Go Kit Challenge. Apparently he thought it was the Ham Shack Portable Challenge. But man, look at all that. That's so amazing. There we go, Mike doing the interview. I was trying to lean up, but that's fine. We'll just go ahead and... Things to know. Mike forgot his jacket. Mike was cold, and Frank decided to let Mike wear his jacket. If Frank kept his other tank radio jacket in the car, Mike would be already wearing a tank radio jacket.
All right, let's go ahead and do the awards because we do have the weather coming in rather quickly. In the general category, let's start with what does the general category get? The grand champion, the general category, will get a plaque that they get to keep, and it says Aries POTA Soda. It says Go Kit Challenge and People's Choice 2024. Okay, that and the illustrious Hamburg Cup. On the Hamburg Cup is the dog chain with dog tags indicating previous winners. The new winner will get their dog tag in the mail because the winner is Mike, K8MRD.
What?
Why is a good question? Why is a good question?
I cheated my ass off.
I don't question how they got it. He had the most tickets.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we will send you the dog tag in the mail.
Not a toe tag.
Not a toe tag,
Okay.
a dog tag.
Okay.
50 megahertz and up. You get a cup. It's not the Hamburg Cup, but it is a cup nonetheless. In the 50 and over category, KI5OPP, Cliff. Cliff also gets a plaque. There you go. We are going to provide you with a chain, and we will provide you with a dog bone tag. So we need to get your address before you leave so we can mail it to you, because we're not driving to Huntsville for Mike. We're not driving to Paris for you. So there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. The mobile category. So we've had the mobile category, I don't know, 2 years now, and we finally decided we needed to get something for that, and we got this. And this goes to Jim, K5VZ. And I hope everyone had an opportunity to see Jim's mobile kit. It is awesome. There we go.
There we go. I just need gold teeth.
All right, and gold teeth in classic 80s. In classic 80s rap form. All right, guys. Hey, thanks again, everyone, for coming out. Please drive safe going home.
Well, that is a wrap for this year's 2024 Go Kit Challenge. We had a blast. We had fun hanging out with you, and we are all going to be jumping in the cars and driving home safe because it's raining.